Welcome to the Short Book Summaries channel. Enjoy and subscribe if you like our work. Everyone accepts the importance of physical health. Isn't it just as important to aim for the mental equivalent? Philippa Perry has come to the rescue with How to Stay Sane, a maintenance manual for the mind. Years of working as a psychotherapist showed Philippa Perry what approaches produced positive change in her clients and how best to maintain good mental health. In How to Stay Sane, she has taken these principles and applied them to self-help. Using ideas from neuroscience and sound psychological theory, she shows us how to better understand ourselves. Her idea is that if we know how our minds form and develop, we are less at the mercy of unknown unconscious processes. In this way, we can learn to be the master of our feelings and not their slave. This is a smart, pithy, readable book that everyone with even a passing interest in their psychological health will find useful. Lovely writing style, and it has exercises in the back that I believe will be helpful. There are two that I already know are helpful, 2 types of meditation. The author never preaches to you, and she admits in several places that she has made mistakes in her past for which, she hopes, the book will assist anyone who may be experiencing the same problems. This was a library book, but I'm buying my own copy. A very simple, no-fuss rethink on anxiety. Many very short, clear anecdotes to topics such as relationships, stress, learning, and our personal stories that shape our perceptions. While intended for a generalized audience, it's a good read for those with Asperger's, high-functioning autism, as it breaks down nuances of social behaviors and why they're important, a step missed in a lot of texts. The exercises at the back are pretty typical of mindfulness and CBT practices, but again, their relevance and goals are very clearly laid out, which is surprisingly not common in similar texts.